Hello everyone, welcome to this another video on Google Sheets. In this video, we'll see how we can connect Google Sheets to Google BigQuery and do our analysis, and we'll also see how we can schedule refresh as well. So let's start. So let's go to data and data connector. You can see here, and then click on connect to BigQuery. So here you will have some Google BigQuery tables available, public data set available. If it is not there, you will have to actually initiate that. But yeah, so we'll pull one data set here, which is taxi data set. Okay, Chicago taxi trip. And after selecting this table, you can click on connect. So what it will do is that it will create a new sheet and it will pull the data in that particular sheet. Okay, so there are 212 million rows, lot many, and 23 columns. Okay, now if you see in this sheet, you won't have those many records. Okay, so it would be a limited set of record only, kind of a preview here. But yeah, you can refresh the data if you want, and this you can take a look at the columns which is available here. So you can see what kind of data is there. There's a unique key, taxi ID, trip start, trip end, trip seconds, trip miles, pickup center. So these are some IDs, pickup and drop centers. And then you have the payment type, company. These many fields are available here. Location as well. Location is also added here. Okay, so here you'll get some idea what kind of data set is available here. Okay, now what you can do from here. So you can look at the column stats for a particular column here. For example, if I select this, click on column stats, it will again query the database and it will give me some stat that yeah, these many records uh, where the payment type was cash, and we can see that that is the most uh, used payment type. So cash. After that, you have this credit card as widely used payment type. Then you have mobile, PR card, and then there are a few cases. I mean, not many cases where it is unknown. Okay. Similarly, if you click on now company actually and column stats, you will get some details about that. So again, it's again querying the database, and you can see that yeah, taxi affiliate services, they have these many records. Then you have flash cam with these many records. So like that. So this is how you can get some information about a particular column using column stats. But yeah, you can also add a few column as well here. So if you click on calculated column and maybe some new column, and then you can add a formula here. Okay, so trip start timestamp. So let's do month. So with this, we'll get the months of this trip start time in this new column. Okay, so this would be available here in this new column. Now, sometimes that formula you can see, yeah, you can see that second month is second, then you have sixth month, then you have first month, it's January, March, like that, and you can cross check here as well. So it's second month, it's sixth month, then it's first month. It's like that because the data is not actually right now sorted in any particular way. So it's like that. Okay, so this way you can add a new column as well here. And now there are a few other things as well that you can do. So if you want to create a pivot table, so you click on pivot table, you can do it in a new sheet, and then you can summarize your data. You have all these fields available which you can put on rows and columns, and then values, and you can add filters as well. So for example, if I want to see payment type, I'll add it in row, and then I want to get the maybe the number of, okay, number of, I don't want to add it to column actually, values, it's count of unique key. Now here when you add a column, you also have the option to actually order. So if you want to order it in ascending or descending order, so I'll select descending, sort by, do I want to sort it by this particular column or count of this particular value column, so that is also there. And how many number of rows do I want? If there are multiple, then we would like to actually add a condition. So we want to see, for example, top 10 payment type only, then in that case I would just select 10 here. So let's see, and if we click on apply here, we'll have this result available. So you can see it's sorted in descending order, cash being the most used payment type. Then we have credit card, mobile, etc. It's sorted in descending order. If I select top 5, then it will just give me the top 5 only. So like that, we can create a pivot, and we can get the desired results as well. If I want to show totals, then I need to add the show total. So here I'll get a total at the bottom as well. Okay, I keep it all here, and let's see how does it look like. Now I would like to add another column. So okay, so what is the fare? And here I don't want sum, I want average fare for all these payment types. So I've added another column here, and then I'll click on apply. Let's see how the results look like. You see that although cash is the most prominent payment type, the average fare is highest in PR card, and then it is prepaid, like that. So you can get a lot many insights by doing this pivot table as well. Okay. Now let's go back to the data set. Let's see what else we can do. So we can also insert a chart. So if I click on chart, it's asking me where do I want this chart. I will click on again new sheet. And now here I can select the type of chart. So for example, if I want a line chart, okay. And then if I add trip start on x-axis. So you see this, there are a lot many dates. So if you would like to group by something, for example, here year, month, year, quarter. Let's group by year, month. Right? Okay, and here we can add maybe fare or trip total. And trip total by default here is sum, but I would like to see average trip total here. Okay, and then I need to click on apply. Let's see how the results look like. You can see that the average trip total is kind of increasing. So in 2014 Jan, the trip total was around maybe 13, 14, something like that. But right now it has jumped to 25. So, and the highest was around 30 in this particular month. Okay. So this way actually you can plot as well, and then you can customize your chart by selecting a different font size, font theme here, which is wide, and you can add title as well, You can modify the title by making it bold or center aligned. You can change the color as well. Here also you can change the size of the title as well. So this way you can customize your chart. And the other thing which is important here is that you can also schedule your refresh. So if I click on schedule refresh here, you can see that you can schedule a refresh every hour as well. But yeah, let's do it for every month, first of month in this period, and then I'll just save it. So like this, the data will refresh every month for me now. And there are a few other things as well which I'll touch upon in the next video on Google BigQuery using Google Sheets. So I hope you'd find this video useful. Do subscribe my channel, like this video. See you in the next video.